struggling with chipped edges or crooked cuts. The right track saw can deliver cleaner, straighter cuts with less effort and greater precision. But with so many options available, choosing the right one isn't easy. In this video, we've rounded up the top 5 track saws to help you make the right choice. Check the links in the description below for the latest prices and more details. Now, let's get started. Number 1. WIN 7.25-inch track saw. The WIN 7.25-inch track saw is a practical and cost-effective solution for woodworkers who want accurate, controlled cuts without stepping into premium price territory. Designed to handle both rip cuts and plunge cuts, this saw delivers impressive versatility, allowing users to cut materials up to 2.6 inches thick at 90 degrees and up to 1.85 inches thick when making 45-degree bevel cuts. This makes it suitable for plywood, solid lumber, MDF, and other common sheet goods used in cabinetry and furniture projects. Its variable speed control, ranging from 2,000 to 6,000 revolutions per minute, gives users the flexibility to adjust cutting speed based on material type, improving cut quality and reducing tear out. A major advantage of this model is its compatibility with standard 7.25-inch circular and miter saw blades, featuring a 5/8-inch arbor, which makes blade replacements simple and affordable. Number 2. DEWALT DWS 520K Track Saw. The DEWALT DWS 520K Track Saw is built for professionals who demand accuracy, power, and consistency in every cut. Featuring a zero-clearance track saw system, it delivers straight, splinter-free results that are ideal for fine woodworking, cabinetry, and high-end finish work. One of its standout strengths is the dual-edge track compatibility, allowing perfectly straight cuts in both directions without repositioning the saw, which improves efficiency on large panels. Powered by a robust 12-amp, 1,300-watt motor, the DWS 520K cuts effortlessly through hardwoods up to 2 1/8 inches thick, maintaining smooth performance even under heavy load. The on-track depth capacity is carefully engineered, offering precise depth control of 2 1/8 inches at 90 degrees and 1 5/8 inches at 45 degrees, with an accurate depth scale that accounts for track thickness. This attention to detail ensures repeatable results, especially when working on multiple panels. Number 3. Makita Plunge Track Saw. The Makita Plunge Track Saw is known for its refined cutting performance and exceptional finish quality, making it a favorite among professional woodworkers. Equipped with a powerful 12.0-amp motor, this saw delivers strong, consistent cutting performance across a wide range of materials, including hardwoods, plywood, and laminates. One of its most impressive features is the precision cutting capability that produces a splinter-free, mirror-like finish, reducing the need for additional sanding or edge cleanup. The electronic speed control system actively maintains constant blade speed under load, ensuring smooth, accurate cuts even when working through dense materials. With a variable speed dial ranging from 2,000 to 5,200 revolutions per minute, users can fine-tune cutting speed to match the application, improving both safety and cut quality. Number 4. DOVAMAN 10-inch Track Saw. The DOVAMAN 10-inch track saw offers a unique blend of power, versatility, and extended cutting capacity, making it suitable for users who work with a variety of materials and project sizes. Featuring a powerful 15-amp pure copper motor, this saw delivers high efficiency and consistent performance while maintaining durability for long-term use. Its dual speed settings of 3,200 revolutions per minute and 5,000 revolutions per minute allow precise control when cutting wood, PVC, and even soft metals, giving it multi-material flexibility that many traditional track saws lack. The included blade set, consisting of 2 40-tooth and 1 48-tooth TCT blades, further enhances its versatility right out of the box. An extended cutting range is made possible by the 13-inch sliding rail and extendable side tables, accommodating materials up to 4 by 13 inches, which is particularly useful for larger workpieces. Ergonomics are thoughtfully designed with an ambidextrous layout that supports both left and right-handed users, improving accessibility and comfort. Number 5. Kreg KPPS 100A Track Saw. The Kreg KPPS 100A Track Saw brings cordless convenience together with precision plunge cut performance, making it an appealing option for modern job site and workshop use. Powered by Kreg's 20V ionic drive system, this compact track saw delivers impressive cutting strength for hardwoods and thick boards without the limitations of a power cord. Its plunge cut design allows for clean, accurate entry points, making it ideal for cabinetry, trim work, and panel sizing. One of its most distinctive features is the blade-left configuration, which is optimized for right-handed users and significantly improves visibility along the cut line, enhancing control and accuracy. The saw is compatible with Kreg's 62-inch guide track, enabling straight, repeatable cuts in plywood and solid wood when paired together. Ergonomics are a strong point, with a well-balanced body and comfortable grip that reduce fatigue during extended use. The cordless design adds mobility and convenience, especially in tight spaces or remote job sites where outlets are limited. Choosing the right track saw comes down to precision, power, and how well it fits your projects. Each option on this list delivers reliable performance for different needs and budgets, helping achieve cleaner cuts, better control, and professional results in any workshop or job site.